We'll guide you through how to navigate the Wix Help Center easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix homepage and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a question mark icon. Click on this icon to access the Help Center. This will take you directly to the main Help Center page. Here you can see a search bar right at the top. This is your gateway to finding specific solutions to any issues you might be facing. Simply type in keywords related to your query, like change template or add blog, and press enter. The search results will automatically populate with the most relevant articles and tutorials. If you're not sure what you're looking for, you can browse by category. Below the search bar, you'll find several categories such as editor, billing, domains, and more, each containing articles and guides related to that specific topic. Click on any category to explore further. Another useful feature is the Popular Articles section, which you can find by scrolling down on the Help Center homepage. This section displays articles that other users frequently visit, offering solutions to common issues. If you still need assistance, you can scroll to the bottom of the Help Center page where you will find the Contact Us option. Clicking this will provide you with various ways to get in touch with Wix support, such as chat or a callback request. Remember to check out the video tutorials available in the Help Center as well. They can provide visual guidance and are often updated with the latest features and solutions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.